EcoSeries 12K by 110 volts. This unit is also offered in a 220 volts if necessary. So let's start. First, you open up these flaps. You can go ahead and slowly flip it over. Inside the box, you'll find your remote controller, a wall mount, as well as some batteries. On top of that, you'll be able to find your Wi-Fi kit to connect to your device, a communication wire for installation, as well as some remote controller manual, an owner's manual, and our warranty statement. This condenser unit comes with a heat pump, which means it can blow hot or cold air, perfect for the summer or the winter, with an energy rating of 20 SEERS. Now let's get into it. Inside the box, you'll find your unit, two 16-foot copper lines, your drain hose, some tape, and clay to install. That wraps up the unboxing of the BLU EcoSeries inverter. You can come get yours today at NG Trade, and you can check the description for more details.